Doesn't it always come down to love of a woman? I love you.
Relax, Elena.
I'm upset. Upset as an emotion specific to those who care.
Come on, Damon. It's a lie. Who cares?
Why is it such a surprise when I'm kissing?
That's not a surprise. I'm surprised that you thought I'd kiss you back. Where's Damon? What have you done to him?
Why do you even care? You know what they are, what they do.
Look, I understand why you hate them, but you're wrong.
They're murderers, Elena. End of story.
Damon Salvatore was just spotted outside entering the grill.
No, you don't admit that you get hurt. You get angry, cover it up, and then you do something stupid. We'll survive this. We always survive.
What changed your mind, Elena?
I didn't want to see you get hurt, okay?
I promise you, I will never leave you again.
I was worried about you.
You're the liar, Elena. There is something going on between the two of us, and you know it. And you're lying to me. And you're lying to Stephanie, and most of all, you're lying to yourself.
Damon.
Elena.